Subaru?
Hey ho.
Oh, okay.
Resting.
I guess you'll have to go film in the bathroom.
Oh yeah, is it?
Nice looking you got there. Escort feature in the bathroom.
Alright, we'll go check that out. Awesome.
What'd you say?
It was full fucking quick too.
Oh yeah.
Alright, we got to see this bathroom. They're pretty excited about it.
Awesome. Oh, the goods.
Oh, they're
The goods. They'll always come with the turbos. Grab them and run out. Yeah.
For sale.
Well, it said the Subi's in the bathroom, so let's go confirm. Where's the guy's bathroom? Oh, that's the woman's. I think we got somebody in here. No, we don't. Anybody in there? Let's see.
Back in the
That's not the bathroom.
Yeah, bargain.
What is that?
Hey, how's it going?
How's it
What's up,
going?
Sean?
Good to see you.
Yeah, good to be here. Yeah.
How's it going, man?
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, how you been? Yeah, my pleasure. Yeah, it's just
Rob, is it cool if I just run off this whole thing?
yes. Yeah, just go ahead.
Whenever we get FP packages, this is all I look forward to right here.
Zox.
Yeah.
Zox. Yeah, the fizz and the sour is what makes it go.
Oh yeah.
So, man,
awesome.
I tell you, I think I figured out how to do road week, race week.
How's that?
You get to be a stop.
Yeah, that's
You get
awesome.
to be a stop.
Hey, that's good,
Yeah, that's
right?
smart.
To be a stop. Yeah,
This is awesome.
You get to hang out in air conditioning.
Exactly. Don't break car parts.
And every time you get to see somebody, they got time to talk.
Exactly.
You're at the racetrack, nobody ever has any time
Yeah,
to
they're all
talk. You
nervous.
know, even if people have questions or whatever, there's not really any time to go into any detail. But you know, it's,
100%.
you're gonna have a cup of coffee and eat a bagel, then you know there's no one.
Always time to chat.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
awesome.
so-
Let's see.
Right over the shitter.
Yeah, that's Where's it at?
Right behind the door.
Hey! Badass! Yeah! Holy shit!
Yeah.
Bleep that out. Holy cow! Yeah, holy moly!
Yeah, you got good company.
This is freaking awesome.
You got the Constitution and Eddie Bello, and then a 2002 Ultimate
Oh,
Street Car
Bello!
Challenge.
Remember this screen?
Yeah.
And, where did we go? That runway race?
Yeah.
Or like
2000.
runway rivalry? Yeah.
We are headed out.
What's up, guys? Day 3, just made it over to the Tulsa Raceway Park. Drive went real well. It was kind of long, hot, but car did amazing. Silas did great as well. We're looking to make a one and done pass again today and see how she does. But so far so good, but it's catching up to us. This is tough, so we're excited and having a great time, and that's all that really matters. So we'll keep y'all posted. What did it go? What did it go?
1099.
Are you f***ing, excuse me. What did it go? I don't get how this car does that. This thing is so crazy. Like, it's getting faster. I literally was on the brakes. Yeah, we can tell. You dropped 20 miles an hour. Well, I'm out of the doghouse. Old Grantley, he's not mad anymore. We made another pass, went 11-1. So it's gonna be good. We're, you know, like I said, we're in the 11-0 class. We're not trying to. I'll tell you this. It's really hard for us, right? We're very competitive people, and this is the first time we've ever raced the car. And for Grant to put us in the 11-0 class is kind of annoying because I really want to just, you know, give it everything every time. So this last time was pretty good, and we got the PB before. So this next time, I took his advice and we kind of slowed it down a little bit to be competitive. So, which isn't really that competitive because the class is really tight, but we're just having a good time. So here we are.
I just followed him. I'm like, bro, they didn't call me up yet. They're like,
I gotta talk shit, so.
I literally got up. As soon as you said, I said this, you said, I was like, here we go. So,
I think I might got a box though over there in the car if you need them. A box of crayons. I know, I'll tell them now. I'm about to build a new thing.
stuck. It's stuck at 794. I don't know. I feel like it's down on power. I don't understand. You can do 794 at 128, 120 miles an hour.
You just can't break that.
Like,
You know what shit that was cool?
like give me at least 131 or something. I don't know.
You better consult the tutor, buddy.
Yeah.
I told you, dude, we should have put the fans on it and like waited a couple rounds. That's what I should have done. We could have got that 6.
I'm about to just leave the car at the end of the pits. Just leave, walk home, dude.